This is Brady K with Pontoon Deck Boat Magazine. We're at the last day of the Minneapolis Boat Show, and as we were looking around, we actually missed 3 boats in our count. There's actually 230 pontoons on display. Now, with that many pontoons, it's clearly easy to miss a couple. Now, there's some other great things we noticed. Let's take a closer look. Now, Manitou's Explode continues to get a lot of attention, as well as that Evinrude E-Tech on the back that's been color matched for this boat. Now, besides pontoon deck boats on display, the engine manufacturers are also here. We saw Mercury, Honda, Evinrude, and Yamaha. Seemed like everywhere we looked, these powerful engines were on display, ready for everyone to take a closer look. On the back of this Aqua Patio 220 UL, there's a fiberglass gate. That's pretty unique. But what we really like about this model is the space is all very well used. Check that out. You don't lose any seating with this design. Now, in our pontoon count, we included these Marker 1s, even though Cobalt technically refers to them as their Platform Series boats. Now, as far as the breakdown here, there's over 30 Benningtons at the show. And then when you look at the Cypress K and Harris, there's over 35. And then right now I'm on the Sylvan. This is one of the over 30 models from this manufacturer as well, including the StarCraft line. Now, as far as one specific brand, Premier dominated the show with 35 pontoons on display, including this new Dodici. Anytime you have a 12-foot wide pontoon with 3 outboards on the back, of course it's going to draw a lot of attention. There's still a little bit of time left in the Minneapolis Boat Show if you want to get up here and check it out. If not, there are plenty of great boat shows going on around the country right now, so be sure to check things out. And of course, check back to p2bmagazine.com as we continue to cover these shows.